Nagdadalamhati ang dating aktres na si Cherie Pineda dahil sa pagpanaw ng anak na babae sa sinapupunan. Malungkot ang naging post ni Cherie noong May 27, at pinakita niya na nasa hospital siya. At 22 weeks and 1 day, our baby's heart stopped beating. Our hearts were shattered, but it surely made our faith stronger. We may not know why it had to happen, but we trust that the Lord has better plans, and all we can do is to let go and surrender. I know in my heart we will see you again, my love. For now, enjoy your time in heaven along with all the angels. We love you so much, our baby, Christiana. We can't wait to have you back in our arms in His time, sambit ni Cherie. Magugunitang noong March 24, 2024 nang mag-post si Cherie Pineda na preggy siya. Pinakita sa photo na hawak niya ang kanyang tiyan na medyo mambak na, at masayang masaya. When the time is right, the Lord will make it happen, sabi ni Cherie, na may hashtag pang #baby number 2. Umulan ng congratulations sa wall niya noon. At masayang masaya ang mga kapwa niya artista tulad ni Kay Abad, Lovie Poe, Maha Salvador, Melissa Rix, Jessie Menjola, Carla Abellana, Diane Medina, at marami pang iba. Mababasa ang pakikiramay ng mga kaibigan ni Cherie sa wall niya. Siya, di ko alam paano mag-react noong nakita ko to. Hugs to the three of you. Condolence. Nakakaiyak siya, sabi ni Yasmin Curdy. So sorry, sending hugs. Sending love and prayers your way, mensahe ni Melissa Rix. Stay strong, Cherie. Sending prayers your way. May God heal your mommy heart, pahayag ni Helga Craft. I love you, ate. Yakap na mahigpit, sambit ni Sue Ramirez. Healed her Lord. Love you at Cherie Pineda, always here for you, and at Martel Soledad may plan si Lord. Ikinasal siya sa kanyang long-time boyfriend, ang politiko na si Martel Soledad noong February 28, 2020, at sa parehong taon ay winelcome nila ang kanilang panganay na si Martel Francesco Soledad na itinuturing niyang isang early Christmas present.